Hey guys, welcome back to another Work With Me video. Today I only have 3 priorities, so let's go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and review some client changes on the website, and then I'm going to go ahead and start implementing them into the websites. So I am updating my client websites on Squarespace, and this is not a sponsored video. When I started my own business, I needed to have a website. And between several different platforms, it just looked very aesthetically pleasing, and it was very easy for me to make changes. And that's why I have now been doing 40, 50 plus websites with Squarespace.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way.
All right, so I got a package here, and I'm going to maybe just open it up right now. So let me clean up my area. Just gonna put everything in here. Put my keyboard underneath. Maybe my mouse up here. And I don't have those cool scissors. Or cool cutting things. I just have a pair of scissors. I'm trying to. I was switching battery so much the other day when I was trying to film some things. Yep, I got this on sale from Amazon. I don't know, it was like $85 or something, so it looked like a good price, so I just want to pick it up. All right, back to work. So I have a Notion project, and inside I typically have a to-do list of all the things that needs to be done, and that helps me not to forget to make any requested changes. And then it is very helpful to have a checklist and cross things off. So I am going through my whole list and updating the websites with text, with images, and then with now CSS coding. So I'm working on a project where I'm sending samples to a client, and they provided me with the address. I copy and pasted it, provided it to the printer, and the printer organized everything, pulled samples, and shipping it to the address provided by the client, which I copied and pasted. And I suppose that's where it went wrong. Believing that anybody giving you the address is going to be correct. That is wrong. Okay, whenever somebody gives you an address, you should copy and paste it into Google first. Because a lot of times when people are multitasking or maybe they're on their phone, things happen. Even when they're the ones giving you the information, it could be wrong information. So your job is to not follow it completely, but to confirm that their provided information is correct. So this is what I learned today. And I need to make sure if I ever get an address, phone, or even, a website, you need to confirm that these information are actually accurate, even if it's coming from the actual source. You just always have to double and triple check. Here is the list of the things that I made, to-do list, and I've been slowly checking through everything today. It's a kind of a slow process. Luckily, I don't have any crazy interruptions today, so I can kind of run through these and double check everything. So my main concern is making sure that all the call to action is linked correctly. That's number one. Number two, the name of the business is updated. And then number three, I've got to update some of the CSS that I've created for the previous page, and now that we are duplicating it for another business, for a secondary business, that those CSS are updated correctly. So yep, I'm gonna keep trucking along with this project, and then later on this afternoon I probably need to get going on another website project. Real quick, I just want to share I got a upgraded softbox. So for 4 years, I've been using like an octagon shaped softbox, and it's working great. Like it provides nice directional lighting, soft lighting. But look at this crazy lantern light that I recently upgraded. It was $60, but that's the model of it. It provides a huge light source when I'm doing some of these videos, even on a very gray, gloomy day. So hopefully some of these footages will be less noisy or grainy in the back. So yeah, it's a nice little upgrade.